Hey, how would you like to get this sweet PowerPoint video template absolutely free? Just click the link to get your copy and then follow along with me in this tutorial as I show you how to modify it. This template comes from the Videoowide version 4 collection, and it's pretty easy. The first time you open it, let's click the Enable Editing button and we'll be ready to get started. This template has 10 slides and you're going to want 10 high quality images. Start off by clicking the star here to play the animation. Very nice. We see there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's begin as we often do with slides like this. I'm going to click on any object, go to the Format tab, and open up the Selection pane. The Selection pane, of course, shows us all the layers of stuff that are on this slide. And the first thing I'm going to do is hide all. When I do that with no layers visible, I can still see that there's an image here, so that I know that this is a background image for the slide itself. So let's right-click on this guy, go to Format Background, and on the Fill tab, you can see that it is a picture. So let's click File and go find our first picture. Here's Maggie the Wonder Dog. We're going to use her for this slide deck. Close the Format Background, and back at the Selection pane, I can see that there are a couple of things here we'll probably want to modify. First one is called Picture Placeholder, and then a couple of text boxes. These are all we're going to have to worry about with this particular slide deck. So if I click on the Picture Placeholder, I can see that it's the original image, and what I want to do is change it to be the same image that I used for my background. Before I make this modification, I'm going to very importantly note the position in the layers that this picture is. And I see that it's right below the two text boxes. So, with it selected, I'm going to just press Delete and then click the icon to add my new picture. Again, pick the same picture that I used for the background and insert. And what you'll notice is that when I deleted it and then re-added it, it puts the picture placeholder at the very top layer. So this is why I wanted to note where it was originally. I'm going to grab it and drag it back down to where it needs to be under the two text boxes. And for this image, I think I'm going to click on it and go to the Format tab and maybe crop it a bit. Pull it over just to center Maggie up a little bit and click Crop again. Now I can go ahead and show all the layers and just work with the two text boxes because they're pretty much on top. They're not buried underneath anything else. So let's go ahead and change our text. And then let's give that a preview. Very nice. And that's about as difficult as this thing gets. The rest is just following that same procedure on the rest of the slide. So let's walk through that one more time real quick. Hide all. Right-click on the background. Format Background. We'll choose From File and pick our next image. Insert it. Click on the Picture Placeholder. Again, noting that it's just below the two text boxes. Turn it back on, select it, and press Delete. Click the icon to add the same picture again. And this one happens to be centered up pretty good, so we'll leave that. Show all the elements again, and move the placeholder below the two text boxes. And make your text modifications. When you finish doing that for all the rest of the slides, all you need to do to kick this out as a video is go to File, Export, Create a Video. Set the seconds spent on each slide to 0 and click the Create Video button. Due to a known bug in PowerPoint, I'm not rendering out as MP4 videos anymore. I'm using the Windows Media Video. Sometimes MP4 files seem to be glitchy, especially with advanced templates like this, so I'm going to go ahead and use that option. Click Save, and PowerPoint will render out your awesome video. This template comes from the Videoowide version 4 collection, and it includes over 80 templates of equally high quality, including things like logo openers, transition templates, lower thirds, quotes, web banners, YouTube subscribe video templates, background music tracks, and a whole bunch more. Be sure to check out the entire collection and grab your copy of this excellent template pack today. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.